Well, I think today is going to be departure day. This was my little camp spot here. This is just a trailhead parking area in the Wayne National Forest. Sun is just coming up. It is right next to a road. There's a road right here which has a decent amount of traffic. This is National Forest, but there is a lot of private land kind of sprinkled in here. A lot of nice country houses back there. Like a nice place to live. And just a mile or so down the road this way is Lake Vesuvius. That's where I spent most of my time during the day. Just kind of came up here to overnight. Well, that was a cool little spot. I am gonna roll on out of here and head towards Ironton, Ohio. It's just about 9 or 10 miles from here. And found a laundromat and do my laundry there. And get stocked up on supplies. Head into the next National Forest area. Probably will be heading into the Daniel Boone National Forest in Kentucky. Well, I gotta at least stop and check out the big furnace here. Kind of a little historic landmark, so I have yet to venture over there and read the sign. You should be able to see it in sight here when I turn around. That giant stone furnace, I'd assume, being near Ironton, that it was for forging iron. Let's go check it out. Well, there it is, the Vesuvius Iron Furnace. Try to get in close there. Should be able to pause that and read that if you like. There it is, it's a big one. It's actually kind of a neat history if you read that. Ironton, 6 miles. Leaving the Wayne National Forest. Goodbye, Wayne National Forest. Coming into Ironton, Ohio. This is the bridge going over the Ohio River here in Ironton, Ohio. The Ohio River is the state line, so we are crossing into Kentucky. Hello, Kentucky. Goodbye, Ohio. Kentucky, unbridled spirit. I like that. Coming through Frenchburg, Kentucky. Small little town here. I like this rural Kentucky. It's pretty out here. Check out this tunnel. Yeah. Coming through. This is crazy. Good thing you can see to the end, otherwise it'd be tough to yield. Get the water dripping off here. Far out. Well, that was fun. Okay, we are getting out here. Still on the hunt for these primitive camp spots. Like there's a little creek going down the right side here. Well, this is fun being out here. Now that I got my permit, I'm legit. I wish I would have done that research first. It would have saved me a little gas, but I'm having to relearn things out in these parts. Okay, this looks like one of the 2 camping areas up here. I might turn around and grab that spot that I saw. It's gonna get dark real quick, so I'm just gonna snag this first spot that I saw. Well, we're running out of daylight, so I'm just gonna go ahead and camp here. Might have a campfire. Someone left a ton of wood there. And I believe there's a little trail that goes down to the creek here. We'll go check it out. Yeah, nice little creek down here. Nice clear water. Well, somehow this turned into a full day of travel. I left pretty early this morning and it's already sundown. And there is rain in the forecast for tomorrow. So we'll see what I end up doing. Alright, get settled in here. Well, we got a nice rain last night and early this morning. It's kind of let up now. Super peaceful out here. I think I'm the only one camped in this area.
Weather Service forecast for the Moorhead listening area. This afternoon, not as warm. Numerous showers. Near steady temperatures in the upper 50s.
Waking up to another nice, peaceful morning here. It has just been so quiet and peaceful at this spot. Spent 2 nights right here. It rained most of the day yesterday. Got a nice good rain in. Alright, well now I got a little more of a perspective of where I've been at here. Little view from above. It is amazing. Okay, this is the trail I'm gonna do. It's an out and back, this ridge trail, but it looks like you can take this Courthouse Rock trail. I might do that on the way in and then take the ridge trail on the way back. Well, it is a beautiful morning for a hike. Ah, what a difference from yesterday. Clear blue skies. Well, a lot of the terrain here is this sandstone. That's what's making up a lot of these hillsides here. And again, if it was, you know, the middle of summer, all these trees would have leaves on them and I wouldn't get as good of a view. So this is very nice. Oh, couldn't ask for a nicer day. Sunny, but still cool. Well, coming up over this ridge here, this is pretty spectacular. Check it out. Okay, I'm taking this Courthouse trail on the way back. It's just avoid taking the same route all the way back. This connects back up with the trail I started on. This is just right below that Courthouse Rock. Kind of neat, this intricate set of stairs here. Well, this is kind of blowing my mind out here. I had no idea this was in Kentucky. What a beautiful area. Jeez. Well, that was a nice little hike. It was just a little over 5 miles. Taking that courthouse rock trail on the way back. And this trailhead parking lot has filled up. I think this is one of the more popular trails in the area. Wow. Glad I got here a little early. It's weird, I didn't really see many people on the trail. Alright, it's post-hike dinner time. Sauteing up some onions and garlic. Gonna do chickpeas, potato and carrot, and some green peas. All simmered in a masala sauce. Yeah. Getting the naan heated up. Oh yeah. That's starting to fluff up real nice. Check on this, just simmering. Well, I think this is going to be the spot for the night here. Sun just set. And I'm just in this little parking area. So I'll probably go do some more exploring around here in the morning.